Hello everyone. The import customer image module will help in importing the customer image from the CSV and Excel file. Once this module is imported, under the user settings, there will be an access rights for customer image importing. So for that, let's get into the settings. Now under companies and users, you can see end users. Now let's get into the Mitchell admin where we need to enable an customer image import. So once you have enabled, now let's get into and sales. Under orders, user can see an option to import image. At first, let's get into the customer. You can see there is a no image for Azure. So now let's import by using this option. Now you can see there are sample files for CSV as well as the Excel one. And also you can import type is based on CSV and Excel, and also you can import it based on the ID, reference and the name of the customer. Okay, now from here I have exported that sample file before, so you can see that this is an sample file that I have exported. Now let's do the same thing by importing. I'm going to choose a name of the customer and I need to import it. Okay, so once I have added the file, now the user can just click on an import option to import it, and you can see an cancel option to cancel it whenever you need. Now let's click on an import. Now you can see there are two records will be imported. Just click on an OK option. You can see that image will be automatically updated for the name of the customer. Okay, and like the same way you can make use of the reference and also by using the ID as well. Okay, so for now let's get into an customer where you can see the Azure will be added, that the image will be added to the Azure. In this way, we can make use of this module to import the customer image from the CSV and Excel file. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.